welcome back to Arie Moore's Makeup Room, where we learn and grow together. Guys, I am here with a very new video for you guys. I am going to be showing you my top 5 fragrances that you must have that will catch everyone's attention, guys. And when I say everyone, I do mean everyone. But guys, before we get into this video, please do take some time to subscribe. Make sure you guys go ahead and like this video and leave some comments down below. All right, let's get it. Let's go. So when it comes to fragrance, I'm very different. I'm very picky, and you may be picky as well, which is why you're probably searching a lot of videos here on YouTube trying to figure out a really good balance, guys. So I'm here to help you help me, because your girl is on a journey, and this journey is so new to me, and I'm trying to figure out my place in this world, trying to find new passions, trying to find everything about Arie Moore, the Arie Moore. So I noticed here lately, I've been into a lot of fragrances, okay? And growing up, I didn't really know the difference between high quality and low quality, or even the in-between. I didn't know. So now I'm starting to learn so much about fragrance, and I have my job at Sephora to thank for that. Because working at Sephora, it really gave me an opportunity to learn about fragrance and learn about selling them. And I don't know it all, guys, unfortunately, but I do know which ones break necks, and that's all I need. That's all you need. That's all we need. We just need to know how to break necks and smell good and feel good. So guys, I'm going to be showing you my top 5 fragrances that I absolutely love, that works for every day, that are not too fruity in smells. They're not going to attract all the bugs and stuff during summer, and they are absolutely perfect for every single season: fall, winter, summer, spring. These fragrances are a must-have, and I hope that after this video you guys decide to try them out. You got to. But anyway, guys, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and show you fragrance number 1. For my first spray, I have the Versace Bright Crystal Absolute. So this is what this looks like, guys, and I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on my hand just so you can kind of get an idea of what it looks like as it sprays out, because every spray kind of sprays a little bit different, believe it or not. But one thing about this spray that I absolutely love, I think this is perfect for every single season because of this, for this reason alone. Sorry guys, I'm so nervous. This is my first fragrance review, so guys, I'm so nervous, and I'm just gonna be honest with you. But I absolutely love this one because it's super light. That very first spray, it scared me at first because I felt like, I don't know, I don't like a lot of alcohol smells. Like, I know alcohol's in all your sprays and pretty much almost everything, but I don't like it to be so overbearing. Like, if I can smell the alcohol, it's a no for me right off the jump. Even if it starts to like sometimes you can smell the alcohol, you can smell all the other ingredients. That alcohol smell will literally just, it would be a no for me right off the bat. So I'm surprised that I like this one, and I'm going to be honest with you, because when I actually spray it on and I just give it a couple of minutes to actually settle, it really smells beautiful. It's so soft, it's very gentle, and it's appealing. And when I wear this spray in particular, it does track behind me, and I love smells that actually track when you walk. So what I mean by track when you walk is like, as you walk by, you ever had someone walk past you and you're like, oh, what's that smell? And then you look and you just know it's that person. Yeah, these actually, all the sprays I'm going to be showing you actually does that. They have a really good scent as you walk by, and it just smells very clean. It gives me like laundry day, but not really laundry day. Y'all know those little pod things that you can put into your laundry? It's like little and pink, and it has like lavender scents. It has so many different scents, like ocean scents and stuff like that. This spray actually reminds me of that. Like, I feel like when I spray it on my clothes and stuff, it reminds me of, like, it makes me feel like I just got my clothes out of the washer and the dryer, if that makes sense. So I absolutely love this spray. This is not a spray that's like at the top of my list, unfortunately, but it is my go-to. So if I have to go somewhere such as like the grocery store or the mall, or even just to go eat or something, this spray is going to be something that I will definitely be getting and spraying. A little bit of this spray goes a very long way. This is a 3.0 ounce. I've been having this spray for months, guys. I've used quite a bit of it, but you know, I had to kind of retract from using a lot of my sprays because I've actually learned how to really spray my sprays on me, which I'm actually going to be demonstrating in another video, because you don't got to do the all over your body. There's certain areas that you actually have to use your sprays in so that it can have longevity and, you know, you make it last. So this is the first spray that I feel like you guys must have. It is an eye turner. Guys will love it, women will love it, everybody around you will love it, and they will thank you for smelling amazing. So let's go ahead into number two. Number two, which is actually my number one. This so far is my favorite fragrance of the year. This is the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle. This is a 1.7 ounce. I absolutely love this. I was so emotional because I felt like if I couldn't get this spray by the end of this year, I was going to be super disappointed. I've been using it at work all the time. I spray it on myself all the time. You know how you have that one spray where you're just like, you know you really want it, but at that moment you couldn't really afford it? This is that spray, and I'm so glad that I finally got to add it to my collection, guys. And it is a head turner, okay? This Coco Chanel Mademoiselle, baby, when I wear it, people want to touch me just because they want to touch me. I want to touch me. Everything about this is so clean. It's so elegant. It's very light. It does everything that it needs to do for the girls, okay? And it's just, this is a comforting scent, okay? And it doesn't really tell you what's in it on here, maybe on the actual original bottle. So unfortunately, guys, I don't know like all the ingredients that's actually inside of this. But let's just say if you don't have the Coco Chanel Mademoiselle in your, whatever you have, your cabinet, I don't care, wherever you put your stuff at, if you don't have this, please go and get this. This is going to make the guys want to chew you up, okay? I had this on yesterday and everybody that I walked by was just like looking at me. Actually a few people was like, what are you wearing? This is one of those sprays that everybody's, just be prepared. Everybody's gonna be like, what do you have on? What do you have on? What do you have on? You smell amazing. Oh my God. They want to be next to you because the smell is just that good. It just gives off rich bitch. Yeah. And everybody that thinks rich gotta have this shit. Okay, guys, I'm so like nervous, but I'm having so much fun, guys. But this is my favorite fragrance, okay? I really want all of the Chanel. Actually, I'm not a fan of the entire line from Chanel, the Coco Chanel. They have so many different things. So I'm going to be showing you guys a few other brands from here that I actually like. I don't like them all, but this one is my favorite fragrance out of every single thing I've tried and every single thing I use. I can only use this probably like once a week. So this is my special occasion fragrance. You always gotta have one for special occasions, ladies and gentlemen. You always gotta have one for those occasions. So this is that. If I'm going to dinner, this is what I'm gonna be using. If I'm going to church, this is what I'm gonna be using. A ball, a conference. You know, if I'm gonna be somewhere where I'm around a lot of important people, this is the spray that I am going to be wearing. So make sure you guys add this to your collection. So let's go ahead into number three. Number three, and this was actually a gift that was given to me for my birthday. This is the Nicole Miller New York Gold. One, I really love the packaging of this. Like, it's just super cute, and I was so excited to add this to my collection. I don't know exactly where to get it, but I'm sure if you Google it, it will show up. Yeah, so I'm gonna spray it on. The spray is very direct, okay? It's 2 pumps is probably all you need. I love this spray, and I'm gonna tell you why I love it, because this is super strong, but it's not too strong or too overbearing. Like I said, I don't like sprays that have a lot of alcohol in them. This one, you can tell it has a lot of alcohol in it, and that's kind of what happens when it's more of a cheaper quality versus a higher end quality, but it still works. Like, the smell, once it starts to settle, it gives me like a very soft, it's making me think of like coffee for some reason, but not like a stinky coffee. It's really different, and it's very neutral. This could be like a really good every single day spray, grocery store, movies, a quick lunch date, a quick brunch date. This will be perfect for that, and it is still perfect for year round because the scents are not too strong and overbearing, and it would be perfect for like summer because it doesn't smell like it's going to have a lot of like floral in it, which attracts a lot of gnats and, you know, the little things that bite you and make you itch. The mosquitoes, that's what they're called, mosquitoes. It's not going to attract that. So when I like search for like perfumes and stuff, I don't want anything that's going to attract bugs and get me bit and ate up, because your girl stay getting ate up in the summer. I honestly get ate up in the winter too. If I go anywhere where there's a lot of bugs and stuff, for some reason, I just got that sweet blood. They love it. So if I have like lotions and sprays that I can actually wear that's not going to attract them things, then it's all good. So when I search for like my fragrances and stuff, I try to steer away from like a lot of fruity smells. I do not like vanilla scents. I absolutely hate coconut scents. Now you can have those in the ingredients, but if I smell it, it's gonna be an automatic no for me. But yeah, so this is number 3. This is a must-have. This is the Nicole Miller New York Gold, guys. Here it is. So make sure you guys try to add this to your collection as well. So number 4 is my, I don't even know how to say the Django Armani My Way. I freaking love this spray. This is number 2 on my list of things that I have to have. I'm actually working on getting the full collection of this. The Armani sprays are to die for. The Armani sprays are actually perfect for every single day. I can wear them in the morning. I can even put them on before I go to bed, even though it'll be expensive to kind of spray it that much. However, I wouldn't even care because I love the smells that it leaves behind. Like, all the scents that I pick out are always going to leave like a really nice clean scent. But this one is really, really fun because although I said I don't like fruity, this one has a fruity scent to it, but it's not too fruity. It's like a mixture of fruity, clean, fabric softeners and all that stuff. And I feel like the Armani brand itself, they specialize in a lot of clean scents, and I absolutely love this. Like, I'm actually wearing it today, and for some reason when I spray this one on me, it lifts up my mood. So I don't know what's in it to like increase or enhance like my mood, but that's what fragrance really will do to you. It will just make you feel so beautiful. It makes you feel really, really good, and it makes you feel wanted too because of the attention that it gives when you have it on. So, you know what I'm saying? You fragrance just do a little another thing to you, and that's why I love my channel, because it gives me a space to learn about stuff that I don't know nothing about. I've never been a girl that's like, I need to have all the perfect perfumes, and I need body sprays, and I need all the good lotions, and I need all the good skincare. I need all the hair products. I need all the makeup. I've never been that girl. You know what I'm saying? As I come into myself, I realize that I really love these things, and this platform really gives me an opportunity to like express myself while learning about these things, no matter how perfect or imperfect. So yeah, guys, I just really enjoy being able to kind of show you guys my true authentic self, whether I know about it or not. Like, just being able to try things out on the camera, I just love it. And the My Way is something that you guys definitely have to have, because it's gonna have heads turning. This video is about the sprays. It's gonna have people looking at you, and baby, you're gonna get the My Way from Armani, okay? This is a must have. I've never really been a big fan of Jimmy Choo, but I actually really, really like this spray. I don't know if it has like an actual brand like the scent, but this is a toilette. So this is something I probably should have said a long time ago, but perfumes and toilettes, they're a little bit different. So you may notice that some of your sprays might, like Chanel Coco Mademoiselle might say Coco Mademoiselle perfume, and then another one might say Coco Mademoiselle toilette. I find that I'm more of a toilette girl because toilettes are softer, whereas the perfumes are stronger. So I hope that helps someone out in the long run, because I should have said that, but like I said, I'm still learning. So this is a toilette. So this smell in particular is very, very light and inviting, and I think this is very, very, really, actually it's perfect for wintertime. This may not be a good summer perfume, but wintertime is going to be perfect because it's going to really leave that scent behind, and I love leaving that scent behind. That's what I go for. Let me spray. Y'all got all type of sprays going on in this house. My room smells good. I love that powder smell that it has. Like, y'all, back in the day, we used to have these powders. Used to come in these little circle things, and it had the powder puff pad. I used to pat it, and they used to have to put it all over you, and it would get everywhere. But those powder puff pads, and I don't know if that's what it's called, had the best smell. This reminds me of that. Like, it had the best smells for after bathing. Like, it was the best. I have to try to research it and see if I can find it, because if I can find it, I'm gonna have to show y'all and put y'all up on game, because I used to love it. They came in these little circle things. I remember mine was blue. I think my sister might have had pink, but I definitely had a blue one, and you twist the top off, and it was like a little puff pad like we use on for our makeup, but it was powder for like baby powders and stuff. But that's neither here nor there. But this reminds me of that. It reminds me of being a kid hopping out of the bathtub and like getting oiled down really good, and your mom puts those lotions and those powders on you, and you sleep really good at night. This, for some reason, this spray does that for me. And I know that's like the oddest description for a spray, but I love it because of that reason. Like, it smells so freaking clean, and men love clean smells, okay? Men absolutely love clean smells. But yeah, y'all, so this one was actually the last one. But I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was somewhat helpful. But if not, let me know down in the comments what I could have done to do better, because I intend to do more of these videos, guys. This is something that I'm definitely going to be doing this on this channel more often. The next video, I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I apply my sprays and stuff for all day wear. So that is a video that you guys can look out for, whatever. Guys, and I'm also going to be doing a hair video here soon. I have some products and stuff that's coming in that I have to review, and these locks is thriving, so now is the time to start, you know, incorporating some of my hair into some of these videos, guys. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. Alright guys, I gotta go get my babies to practice, so I try to hurry and make this video. Y'all, until next time, bye guys.